Hey, hope you're having a great day so far. Today is November 29th, Sunday, and on this post, I'll be talking to you about the overall crypto markets before diving into some of the charts for Bitcoin and see what exactly has changed since my yesterday's post. I'm going to be giving you my bullish and bearish case scenario for today, as well as the short-term price prediction according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're now giving away 4 free stocks instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and it will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. Please do only leave your comments and questions below in the comment section. I will get to them a lot faster that way. So let's see what exactly is going on with Bitcoin price action today. But before that, let's check out Bitcoin dominance, as that would tell me where the money is trending into. Would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither? Currently, we do have Bitcoin dominance at about 60, slightly under 63%, pretty flat from yesterday. And I can see why. Well, we actually just did have a daily candle close today, so we can't really say too much about that. But on the Bitcoin dominance, I do want to note that I do see Bitcoin dominance price action being supported by the daily, 3-day, and weekly moving averages. And if those support levels actually break, I can expect Bitcoin dominance to trend down and possibly better trading opportunities for altcoins. We're going to see if that comes true. Now let's check out what Bitcoin price action is doing and what has done since yesterday. Yesterday, I did focus on the 4-hour and 6-hour time frames because I did mention that there were bullish divergence on these two time frames, and it does look like that bullish divergence is playing out, as yesterday we did not see price action breaking above the 50 simple moving average on the 4-hour and 6-hour, and now price action is actually broken back on top of these moving averages. So that is good, because as I have mentioned yesterday as well, I do want to see price action to get back on top of all the moving averages from the hourly up, because that tells me that price action is ready to make higher highs since it has locally bottomed. Now, let's take a look into what the short-term price target is. So yesterday I did not note this, but I actually did see this today, that we actually had a double bottom on the 4-hour time frame. The neckline is at about 17.5K, and the measured target would be about 18.7K. So basically that is the distance between the neckline and the bottom wick here, and then adding it back on top of the neckline, that would give me the theoretical measured target that may or may not be reached. It is only theory. Now, something else I do also want to note, and have been mentioning over and over again on Bitcoin, is that if we actually do see a higher high made on the price action chart, we do want to keep an eye out on the RSI, because the last high on the RSI is pretty high still. So possible bearish divergence could happen if we make a higher high on the price action chart, but not on the RSI. So something not to be ignored, and I would definitely keep my eyes on it, because that could signal a pullback right afterwards. And that could also affect the altcoins, as you guys might have seen earlier this week. Now let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Now, on the 12-hour time frame, I do see the price action had a very mild close yesterday on the last 12-hour candle. I would like to see that price action does stay above the 12-hour 21 simple moving average, because that was the last moving average we had to get over, and now we are actually above all moving averages again. So I could expect to see higher price action from here. I think that is likely. So the bullish case scenario would be for us to stay above all moving averages as we are now, and go towards its measured target, which is in the short term 18.7K. Could we get any higher? Well, let's get there first and see how the price action reacts. That is the bullish case scenario for us to get to 18.7K as suggested by the double bottom price target. Now, what is the bearish case scenario for today? The bearish case scenario, well, we have just broken back on top of all moving averages. If we actually get below some of these moving averages again, and I think the most immediate one that we'll be paying attention to is the one that we just broken back above, which would be the 12-hour 21 simple moving average. So this would be the immediate support and my first alarm in case price action does break back below it. I don't think that's good because that tells me Bitcoin could spend more time trying to break back above this moving average or any other moving average it breaks back below. So something to be keeping an eye out on, and something I personally would be as well. That would tell me as a first signal where price action could be going. Would it be more consolidation between this area again? Would it be further price action downwards, or would it continue going up? So these are my two very basic bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to check out any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.